9.20. Two strips of metal are riveted together at their ends by four rivets, each of diameter 6 millimeter. What is the maximum tension that can be exerted by the riveted strip if the shearing stress on the rivet is not to exceed 6.9 into 10 raised to 7 Pascal? मतलब कि maximum shearing stress this much. Assume that each rivet is to carry 1/4 of the load. Okay, diameter 6 millimeter for each one, radius 3 millimeter, that is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Maximum shearing stress, that is 6.9 into 10 raised to 7 Pascal. Each one carry quarter load means the shearing force on each rivet, that is 1/4 of the total, so F by 4. So shearing stress for each rivet, force on each one upon area, so F upon 4A. So maximum shearing force, which is corresponding to maximum shearing stress. So force, that is 4A into shearing stress. So maximum shearing force, that is 4A into maximum shearing stress, that is given to you 6.9 into 10 raised to 7. So maximum shearing force, that is 4 area, that is pi r square, into shearing stress 6.9 into 10 raised to 7. Now substitute the value of pi and r. Pi, that is 3.14, r 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. Then solve it, you will get the maximum shearing force. Clear to all of you?